Apple has officially pulled the curtain back on its most powerful chip yet. Yes, the M5. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your favorite tech hub. M5 is a silicon beast engineered to take your performance, graphics, and especially artificial intelligence to the next level. Now, fitted in the latest 14-inch MacBook Pro, iPad Pro, and Apple Vision Pro, the M5 isn't just an upgrade, it's the future. M5 is built on TSMC's cutting-edge third-generation 3nm process. It is laser-focused on future-forward computing. It features a 10-core CPU with 6 efficiency cores, 4 performance cores, and a reworked 16-core neural engine that's all about speed and intelligence. Need to run large language models on device. The M5 is 3.6x faster than the M4. Want to enhance video in Topaz or clean up speech in Premiere Pro? Expect performance boosts of 1.8x and 2.9x respectively. This isn't just about the faster performance. The M5 now supports 153 GBs memory bandwidth, which is 27.5% more than the M4. That's a game changer for AI and 3D workloads. And with its third-gen ray tracing engine, GPU performance has skyrocketed by up to 45%, delivering stunning visuals with up to 4x the GPU compute density. And for multitaskers, the M5's enhanced multi-threaded performance is 15% higher than M4, putting it in league with the fastest chips in the world. Plus, Apple has finally doubled the storage limits on the new MacBook Pro to 4 TB, giving creators and power users a room to breathe. So whether you're training AI models, editing in 8000, or just want a Mac that feels like it's from the future, the M5 chip is here to lead the pack. Do you still think the M4 one is better? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.